to attend this course. So today we will discuss about the inventory system for independent demand, which is in deterministic model. We start by reviewing the basic definition, function, problems, and cost in inventory. For the second, we will discuss about inventory system for independent demand, and the last it is model, several important models including economic orderability, AOQ discount, and economic production quantity. There is a difference about O and E, order and production. So there is a different mathematical formulation in this model. For the inventory, this is a several definition about the inventory. Do you know about the inventory?
Yes.
It is a stock of goods. In your home, what is inventory do you have?
Maybe some kind of ingredients for making food.
What else?
And then perhaps like a wardrobe. It contains shirt, t-shirt like that.
Okay. So it is for individual for the manufacturing system. It also need the inventory. Okay. For the second, inventory can include finished good to sell to customer, semi-finished good. It is same with work in process, semi-finished good, spare part, office equipment, and good for maintenance supplies. So the inventory is not only the product to sell the customer, but also everything support the system. Yeah. For example, office equipment. What is it? About the paper, pen, printer, etc. And the third, idle resources. Inventory is idle resources that have economic value. Yes, it is capital, net capital, and inventory management cost can be as much as 25% of total asset. So inventory control, it is important to manage about inventory because there is large 25% in cost. And the last, inventory exists at many points. And points in finished product, in process, and spare part. And also in the different place like processing, in the business raw material processing, production in
Manufacture.
DEP, semi-finished good. In production, distribution chain for finished good, it is in different forms and in different places. Now we need to clearly distinguish between independent demand and dependent demand. Independent is not depend something. Independent demand it is for finished product or spare parts sold to customer. For example, mineral water, mineral water. So actually, to this demand, it is usually for forecasted, diramalkan. And the second, dependent demand, it is directly depend on the production of finished good. For example, water, mineral water. What is the component in mineral water?
The bottle cap.
Cupnya,
The plastic. The label. Also the mineral itself.
Okay.
The water. Apa lagi?
Stiker.
Oh, sticker.
What else?
The
packaging.
The box.
Box. Cardboard. It is this component for product mineral water. It is a dependent demand. Komponen yang membentuk produk tersebut. So in independent demand we must forecast it, but in dependent demand we must
build it.
Calculate it. Relate with how many quantity in the independent demand. If for example we need to produce 100 bottle mineral water. How many cup to produce completed the bottle mineral water is equal to 100 cup.
Oh, 100.
Yeah, 100 cup.
100 bottle.
For example, another example, car. In one car, how many wheels need to produce one car?
4 wheels.
4 wheels.
Huh?
Really?
Car.
Sometimes it is a new car need 5 wheels because there is a spare part in new car.
For backup
Yeah. Be careful about yang nampak yang nampak biasanya memang 4. So let us discuss about the main function of inventory.
Gak tahu belum, udah bangun apa belum? Saya nge-record bu, saya izin nge-record buat dimasukin ke YouTube. Saya biasanya record terus masukin YouTube biar belajar ingat-ingat juga.
Tapi YouTube-nya for public or
enggak? Sendiri pribadi. Sama biar ngelatih, biar nggak megang HP terus gitu loh.
Meskipun basah tetap harus sadar ya. Halo, di perniagaan Waalaikumsalam selamat kan di situ ya. Kamu tak marah-marah, oke. Saya sudah mulai duduk di depan.
Makanya ada yang bahas kayak gitu.
About the function of inventory, this is inventory. First, inventory is transportation. Inventory is transportation like pipeline inventory. Maybe you know about the water in PDAM atau CAM. In pipeline ya, in transit inventory. It refers to inventory that is transit, moving in one place to another place, maybe supplier to manufacturer, manufacturer to distributor, distributor to retailer or warehouse. This is inventory in transportation. The second function of inventory is cycle inventory. This is exists because companies maybe order or produce, there is two keyword, order or produce in batch, not one unit at a time. Kenapa matanya merah nih?
Oh iya dari kemarin.
Coba.
Nggak tahu nih, gagal aja sih.
Oh iya dipuja ya?
Iya.
Jangan.
Saya kasih obat tetes mata.
Batch, maybe in one company there are more than one product, so the production batch in batch. For example, in one company produce more than one product.
Like for example, Nestle. I've produced many products such as like the milk powder and also the milk and also the
Fresh milk.
Cocoa Crunch.
Cocoa Crunch.
Yeah, cereal.
Okay,
Like
so
that.
this is like a Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fanta, in one company. So there is produce in batch. So cycle inventory is more than immediate demand to take advantage of economies of scale. In one batch, it is for calculate to reach economies of scale and set up project reduction and quantity discount. For this third, safety inventory is extra stock kept to protect against uncertainty. It acts a buffer to prevent stock out. Safety inventory maybe because demand there is variability. So the company must have a buffer or safety stock. The last, inventory for anticipatory. Yeah. It is built in advanced predictable changes in demand or supply. For example, producing more before peak season, building inventory before price increase, preparing stock before Ramadan or holiday season. Yeah. For example, in this month, yeah, in season many syrup, biscuit. So the company ready this product in previous month to anticipatory about the peak season. The last, the basic for inventory about the cost. There are three main types of inventory cost: ordering cost or setup cost. Yeah, there is two keyword. Ordering cost, it is to order. Setup cost to production. Yeah, operating, produce the product. So there are costs include every time you place an order or start a production run. For purchasing, yeah. For example, what do you buy in one month? In your cost, maybe
Apa ya?
order, ya order. Shopee, beli Shopee. Bukan ya, coba nggak beli Shopee. Adi nggak pernah pesen kamu di rumah orang tua jangan pesen order.
Oh, mungkin kadang pesan itu Bu, mama minta tolong pesan sabun mungkin.
Oh iya.
Iya.
Oke. Oh, GoFood. Iya, sering lah GoFood ya. How about the cost? Include if you order via GoFood.
How much? Around 40.
Okay.
40,000.
So this is cost for delivery. Yeah, cost for delivery and also customer service and also maybe about the internet data. Yeah, include to order you in GoFood. So in company, yeah, for purchasing or ordering cost include administrative processing cost, yeah, mencatat, ya, butuh kertas, pensil dan seterusnya, paperwork and documentation, communication with supplier, ya, transportation cost, ya, ini same with delivery cost from supplier to company. This is for purchasing. The other side for production system, so the machine need to set up. What set up cost in this activity? Yeah, machine set up time, the labor for preparation, downtime during changeover. So there are two components: ordering cost for order and setup cost for production. The second, ordering cost is usually fixed per order, not per unit. Yeah. If you want to buy maybe gallon, yeah, 1 gallon or 2 gallon, the delivery order cost is same. Yeah. So this is a fixed per order, yeah, not per unit. So not multiply to unit, how many unit. For the second, holding cost, yeah, there are costs associated with keeping inventory over time. Yeah, depend on the quantity, yeah, in holding, storage duration, the value of the store. Yeah. This cost include capital cost, tax, insurance, cost due to product expiration, operating cost during storage, warehouse, and etc. And the last, the third component, it is shortage cost. This occur when demand exceeds available inventory. Example include the cost of lost profit due to customer buying from competitor and the cost of too expedite, mempercepat arrival of goods. Shortage costs are often difficult to measure but can vary significant, yeah. Like lost profit, lost opportunity to get money. And the basic model for the independent demand it is AOQ, economic order quantity. This is a basic model in the deterministic independent demand. What is the deterministic? In the probability concept, deterministic. What the opposite for deterministic? Pengalamannya deterministik. Lupa deh. Deterministik ya namanya probabilistik ya. Deterministik diketahui secara pasti, certainty ya, not uncertainty. So demand is known, yeah. The quantity is fixed, demand constant. What else? Lead time. Do you know about lead time? Apa sih? Lead time. LEADTIME. Sering dengar? Alhamdulillah. Enggak ya?
Iya, belum.
Lead time. What is it? Oh, it is the first time to hear about lead time. This is time between we order and we receive the order. Yeah, maybe you order avocado juices. Yeah, maybe the lead time average about the 15 minutes. Yeah, itu lead time in company, so it is more time. So this is about the deterministic, yeah, no uncertainty. So it's simplified but very powerful model. The decision on the quantity to order in a single order is usually expressed in terms of the AOQ. Yeah, in AOQ we calculate about the how many order, ya, berapa jumlah yang harus dipesan, ya, ketika mau beli spare part atau komponen. The equation show the relationship between in there are cost in previous slide about the ordering cost, holding cost, and the order quantity. For example, the demand for product A for next year, notationnya D is 10,000 unit. The price of goods P is 10,000 rupiah per unit, and the order fee order cost K is 1 million rupiah for each time you place an order. If the cost of storing goods, holding cost, is 2,000 rupiah per unit per year, how to arrange the procurement of the most economical product A? For you, maybe you meet this problem, you will buy the product for 1 year. How many? In 1 year, you will buy 10,000 in one time, langsung datang semua, or boleh ada. Lupa saya namanya mas,
Fadil.
Oh, lebih apa sih ini? Freestyle.
I think we can buy all of it since the order fee is 1 million for each time you place an order.
Okay.
So it will cost less if we buy all of it.
Yeah, order cost and holding cost. Yeah. If we don't know about the AOK, there are many alternative solutions, yeah, to this problem. Suppose key the amount of each purchases maybe in the one by 10,000. Yeah, you need directly in one time. Ya, misal Januari langsung beli 10.000. For the second purchase item twice for every purchase 5,000. Ya, key is equal to 5 unit. Ya, 6 bulanan. Ya, 2 kali pesannya. And also in 3 or 4 time, in 4 10 times, yeah, key is equal to 1,000 unit. So there is still many alternative purchasing solution. If we in one coin, what trade-off in here? How many order cost?
1 million.
How many frequency of the order?
10,000 unit. 10,000 unit.
Frequency
Frequency.
to order in one option. Frequency for order. Once, yeah. So this is holding cost. Ordering cost is low. How about the holding cost? High. Okay, this is high. Yeah. So there is a trade-off in here. How about the in for option? Okay, second 10 times, 10 times. So the order cost? Yeah. How about the holding cost? Yes, increase. Soalnya ini datanya kecil-kecil ya, itu kelihatan namanya less than. So there is a trade-off between ordering cost and holding cost. So there is a best approach to this solution. For the first, we determine the performance criteria. Actually, the criteria is to minimizing total annual inventory cost. Yeah. And deterministic assumption, there is no uncertainty, demand is known and constant, lead time is known. There is no risk of shortage, and service level is assumed to be 100%. Semua permintaan dapat dipenuhi. And the last, about the criteria optimization objective, is the one that minimize total inventory cost per year. There is, they say, total cost is equal to purchase cost plus ordering cost and holding cost. Yeah, there is trade-off in here. But the PC purchasing cost it is constant. Constant, yeah. Because in 1 year 10,000 is same. In one time frequency in once or twice until for 10 frequency. Then the same about the quantity in 10,000 unit. Yeah, you can see the graph. This graph illustrates how inventory behaves over time in the basic model. For the first inventory pattern, on the vertical axis there is vertical axis, so there is a inventory. Yes. And the horizontal axis we have
Time.
Time. The pattern form like what? The pattern. Sometimes we call this sawtooth shape. So like yeah, because when an order arrives, inventory jumps to key. Ya, sekali datang langsung sebesar key. Ya. Inventory maksimumnya is equal to key. Then inventory decreases gradually due to about the demand, to fulfillment the demand. Yeah. It is different shape ya between the key rise and key to fulfill the demand in constant. When inventory reaches zero, zero, a new order arrives in key. Yeah. So cycle repeat again. Yeah. There is for cycle ya. Key arrives until key in minimum inventory. Maximum inventory is equal key and minimum inventory is equal 0. So average inventory is about key per
zero.
B. Namanya rata-rata. Maksimumnya
Key per 2.
Maksimumnya key, minimumnya 0. So average-nya sama dengan key per 2. Key plus 2. Maybe sometimes we call key or key star or key 0 is same. AOK ya. Ini referensi different term.
Sorry Bu, does minimum inventory in real industry such as like safety stock also like that? So it doesn't count as zero, right?
Yeah, good question. It is still basic about the AOP. Next week in meeting 3, third meeting, we will study about the shortage. So we need a safety stock like inventory cost function. The inventory function is to buffer, buffer stock, anticipatory, is fulfillment to unpredictable about the quantity of demand. But the AOP is the basic, so in assumption about the every time the demand fulfillment about the service level is equal to 100%. Yeah.
Is there any like prediction or formulation to predict the safety stock? Since it's uncertainty, like the demand, right? How can we predict?
Okay, yeah. We will discuss about safety stock in
Next
third
week.
meeting. Yeah. About the independent system for probabilistic demand. Yeah. Now we will discuss for model deterministic. Yeah. Good, dear. Okay, we will discuss about this. What is it? No demand 10,000 for purchases. So the frequency for key-nya 10,000 per 4 is equal to 2.500 unit per order. Ya, purchase cost-nya is constant 10,000 unit multiply about the price the unit. Order cost is equal to about the frequency multiply with the order cost. Yeah. Per order, not per unit. And holding cost is equal to about average. Yeah. It is cost holding and average inventory to 500 per 2 is equal to 2.5 million. So total cost, it is sum about this component. Purchase cost, order cost, and holding cost. Any questions? You can see about this compression about the solution. Yeah. If one time purchase F is equal to 1 until 10 purchases, F is equal to 10. So there is a difference about the value of key. Let's see the purchase cost. It is same in every alternative. Yeah. It because it is constant. 10,000 multiplied by price, yeah, the product. Order cost is more upon the order time, so there is need a cost more increase. Yeah, yeah. That off with the holding cost is more frequency, the holding cost decrease. So total cost there is what is the pattern in this total cost? There is a pattern. Apa? Polanya ada apa?
It's like a
Gimana dia? Iya, ya. Di kurva balik ke atas. So we need much to calculate this one because to reach the total cost, total cost minimum. Yeah, this is a key in this point. Okay, this is a mathematical model formulation. We break total cost into 3 components. Yeah, purchase cost, ordering cost, and holding cost. Yeah, can you call this component cost? So we need to calculate for next sample. Remember to this component, the unit cost component, UCD, rate of the cost, RC, D, quality, holding cost component, order, holding cost, and average inventory. Yuk, nyatet yuk, meskipun di video ini beda nak. Ya kok hadisnya di menuntut ilmu itu berbeda antara ikatlah ilmu dengan sebuah tulisan, ya. Jadi dengan menulis itu paling enggak otaknya nggak ada anak. You don't bring something to write on paper. Masya Allah. Kotanya ada?
nggak ada.
Oh nggak ada tuh kalau di Tuhan punya enggak itu nanti kayaknya bawa.
Nggak usah. Pakai apa?
Sahib kamu sekolah kuliah nggak bawa alat tulis. Kan saya sempat offline ya, offline mungkin saya tidak bisa melihat. Ya nanti di sebelum hari raya ada online, setelah hari raya ada online. Mau pulang? Kadang pulang nggak?
Saya kurang tahu kalau liburnya sebentar kayak gitu.
2 minggu.
Betul. Dari tanggal berapa itu?
Berapa di
16
16 April
27.
Ya, 27.
Maret ya?
Iya, Maret.
Dari besok tuh.
besok.
Iya ya kan ada libur semester.
Iya.
Iya. Dan dari apa tuh? Trade of cost ya. Nanti kalau nggak pulang main ke rumah Adi, ya kayak berasa lebaran. Ya
Iya,
jadi
Bu.
kamu mudik jangan.
Saya mudiknya pas mepet sama lebaran.
Oh ya kemana?
Blitar.
Oh bukan.
Iya. Nenek di sana.
Enggak itu.
Saya Kediri,
Oh iya.
Batam.
Bukan. Kediri siapa?
Kediri, papa saya, bapak.
Terus yang di Batam?
Di Batam, kerjanya di Batam, tinggalnya di Batam.
Oh berarti ketemuan di Kediri. Nggak tahu
Kemungkinan,
juga ya.
kemungkinan.
Ya, ini nggak ada ya itu. Nah mungkin masih ada. Sudah ya? Okay. So, to total cost, there are two components about FC, fixed order, and plus VC, variable cost. Yeah. Fixed cost plus variable cost. Yeah. Fixed cost to purchasing. Yeah. So you see multiply D is a fixed cost. For variable cost, include for order cost and
Overhead. Holding cost.
what do you say?
Overhead.
Overhead. What is it?
Jadi Bu.
Oh, overhead. Oh, ini Anbi ya?
Iya.
Oh iya ya, di Anbi ngomongnya overhead. Oh iya ya, sih ya. Saya pernah dengar. Udah lama nggak ngajar. Oke, udah ya. Maaf ya. Dulu lagi semangat kurang minggu langsung next aja.
Udah Bu.
Okay. So to reach the Q optimum, we need to what is that? Total cost, take the derivative. Yeah, to find the minimum cost, we take the first derivative with respect to Q. Ya, diturunkan pertama terhadap I. Still remember in matematik? Yeah. So the formula for Q0 or Q star or Q is equal to akar 2 RC kali D per HC. You must remember about the formula in EOQ. Langsung ditulis Q-nya aja. Q sama dengan ini kan rumus turunan. And the second, we need optimal cycle length. Cycle length, siklus. Order 100 is need what time to this product in inventory minimum. So T is equal to K per D. Ya, apa? 2NC per D AC. You can write in the last what the variable cost. Ya, variable cost is equal to akar 2NC HC multiplied by D. Variable cost, there are just two components about what?
The reorder cost.
Reorder and holding. So purchasing cost is not included in this component. This is about the graphs. Yeah, visually explain why it key. Yeah, for the first cost component, reorder cost in red block kemarinnya. Reorder cost component. This is the graphs for the
Variable.
ordering cost. Yeah, this could decrease as key increase. Yeah, this is vertical like DC total cost, and the horizontal is about order quantity. So ordering cost if key increase.
T decrease.
Yeah. This cost for order decrease. Yeah. If key is small, many order per year, high ordering cost. If Q is large, fewer order, so low ordering cost. So the curve slopes downward. For the second holding cost component in this line, this line increases as key increase. Larger key, higher average inventory, higher holding cost. So this is an upward sloping straight line. For the third unit cost component, this is constant. Unit cost component in the basic AOP. Full case cost is constant. It does not depend on key. Small or large, the cost component is same. And the last for the total cost, is sum of
The purchasing cost plus variable cost.
Purchasing cost, order cost, and holding cost. Because one component decrease and the other increase, the total cost of becomes usage. Karena ada satu yang decrease, ada satu yang increase, jadi bentuknya about the optimal order quantity. Optimal order quantity in this point, this is AOQ. Total cost is minimized, ordering cost is equal with holding cost. Balance in between ordering and holding cost. For example, this one, you need practice to calculate this model. Read by PC-nya 3000. UC 30 kali 6000 pasti Now, you calculate about how many the ordering cost and how many the fixed cost. Holding cost and ordering cost. Previous class I say about the balance about two costs.
Holding cost sama apa ini?
Ordering. Invariable cost include two costs there about the ordering and holding. Berapa? Kadang nyamuk. Itu order cost sama holding cost. Padahal Rio berapa? D per I multiply by ordering cost-nya. RC kali RC. Kan pasti ada komponen biaya. Coba ading. Bingung anak? Coba rumusnya ordering cost. Apa rumusnya tadi? Ini
D per Q.
D per I. This is about the frequency in 1 year. Frequency. Frequency multiply by biayanya, costnya.
Costnya 30.
LC. Holding cost. About the average inventory. I per 2 multiply by costnya. Asik. Pasti ada pengaruh costnya. Kita menuju soal tersebut OC sama LC-nya. OC sama LC-nya.
Berarti kalau kita mau dari terus nilainya berapa? Nilainya berapa?
Sama. D-nya sama.
Oke. bisa.
6.000 belum. J-nya kan 6.000. I-nya ini udah diketemukan sama Mas Rio. Loh, ini sama dengan EOQ. Oke. Pakai 500. Ini ordering cost berapa? Biayanya untuk memesan dalam 1 tahun?
12.
Hah?
12.
12 apa? Aji.
RC-nya
Nah, satu.
RC.
RC. Ordering cost itu loh RC. 125. Ini loh wes bener. OC. OC is also with the RC.
1.500.
Nah, siapa tadi yang masuk ini?
Saya sama Fadel.
Oke, sip. Apa itu yang 1.500?
Ordering cost.
Nah, ordering cost. How about the holding cost?
Tiga ribu 125. 3.100. Shit, salah.
Different answer about
3.125.
di. Oke.
Ya. 30 atau
Sudah tahu salahnya Rio di mana?
oh 6. Nah, dikaliin 6 ah. RC kan?
Mana itu tadi?
Pakai RC.
HC.
C-nya namanya
Walah.
Manis.
Oh iya Bu, salah Bu.
Sambung.
Salah Bu. Iya.
Tapi simple. Can fall. So, ordering cost and holding cost value-nya sama, ya nilainya sama, sehingga ITC in EOQ it is balance for those costs. Any question? This is still simple model into domestic or inventory system. Okay, next about the lead time. Yeah, we know about the lead time. It is time between we order until we receive the order. There is changes. Lead time is rarely equal to 0. In EOQ, there is assumption about lead time is 0. Ya, pesan langsung datang. Pesan langsung datang. Ya, aktualnya it is occur. What if the lead time is constant as LK of the limit of time, which is lead time probably is short than cycle time. And in the second condition, lead time longer than cycle time. Jadi lead time-nya yang lebih kecil waktunya dan lebih besar dari cycle time. So we need to calculate about ROP, reorder point. Yeah. Reorder point is point, which when we will order this key. Key it is to answer about the quantity. ROP is answer about the time to order. So ROP is equal to lead time demand. Lead time demand is lead time multiplied by demand per unit time. And also LT multiply D represent D small. Small d is capital D per number of time unit per year. It is in condition about the LT shorter than V. For the second condition, LT is longer than time, cycle time. So ROP is equal to lead time demand minus stock on order. Yeah. In the first equation, LT multiplied by D, ya, dikurangi N kali Q-nya. Where N is the smallest integer number of LT per T. LT per T. Finish? Okay, continue for the example. The demand for an item is known to remain 1,200 unit per year. What is it? D. Yeah, capital D. Yeah, or 100 per month. So 100 is equal to small d. Yeah. Small d is equal to capital D per number of time, unit per year. Yeah. Okay. So unit per year-nya 1,200 per 12. Okay. With an ordering cost, what is this?
OC.
Okay. And storage or holding cost 0.24 per unit per year. This is a
Holding.
AC. Yeah. Determine inventory policy if the lead time is constant. A 3 months, B 9 months, C 18 months. So for the cost, we calculate about key with the same equation akar from 2RC kali D. Yeah, I will show this answer with the same. So the result is 400 unit per order. T, yeah, with the same equation RT, key per D 0.33 years. So is equal to 49. So there is 3 questions about what is it? ROP, yeah, ROP for 3 months, 9 months, and 18 months. Model A, RDB, VUC. You must know about the sesuatu ya, percaya.
Dari N itu apa ya?
LT dibagi T.
Oh.
Ya, coba tulis saja dulu di situ. LT-nya kalau ini. LT-mu 9 ya. Ya, padahal yang ini deh, nanti ada komisinya. 9 dibagi 4.
Yang mana ya?
Hah?
Yang mana aja?
Yang B sama C, tetap itu semua. Kan cuma majunya aja yang ganti ya. Tapi semuanya tetap harus dihitung. Mungkin artinya apa sih?
Kalau sisa inventory mencapai 200 harus order ulang.
Oke. Padahal udah paham.
Oh. Kyo itu dari mana ya? Kyo.
QO itu same with Q, same with Q star, same with EO. Ki maksudnya.
Ya.
Ini.
Oh ya tadi ya.
Nilai Ki itu sama dengan Ki bintang, Ki 0, EO Ki itu sama. Yang dicari pertama pasti Ki. Ada pertanyaan? Iya. Maksudnya interpretasinya semakin lama bulan bintangnya, maka tidak bisa dikaitkan dengan jumlah unitnya ya. In example, for the first 3 months, the unit 300 ya. Siklusnya itu bisa memiliki 300 sampai sini. Jadi pada saat 300 ini saya harus pesan supaya nanti pas 0 itu barangnya sudah datang ya. Jadi bisa begini tadi. Kalau itu lebih besar dari time cycle, maka karena 2 periodenya itu sudah dilewati, maka dia ini mau habis 100. Nah, itu pesen ya, ditanya nanti baru datang pesan lagi gitu ya, 9 bulan. Maksudnya ini dia datang gini, maksudnya gimana? 9 bulan itu kan lebih lama dari 3 bulan, maka kedatangan ini tuh bukan pesanan dari sini, tapi pesan dari 2 sebelumnya, 2 periode sebelumnya. Pesanan yang di sini misal ini ya 100 baru datang di sini, ya, karena dia lebih lama dari habisnya Ki, kebutuhan Ki, paham ya? Yang 18 bulan, nah ini lebih naik 200. Nah, tapi dia bakal datang next 4 ya. Nah, itu untuk kebutuhan berikutnya. Jadi di different condition. Sabar ya, ini belum selesai nak.
Oh, ya Mak.
Next, masih ada 2 activities and EPI ya, itu first slide ya, Rio. Ya, saya sampaikan ada 3 pembahasan. So now we will discuss about AOQ with discount. Do you like discount? No, maybe just like a discount. Condition where discount are given for purchase a certain amount. Yeah, maybe more large quantity there is a price discount. So the price is lower and lower. Unit cost component is variable cost. Yeah, it is different with the AOT with deterministic, whereas the unit component is
Variable.
fixed cost. No discount. Yeah, it is different. Yeah, in here variable cost. So the Q optimal point of ETC curve, yeah, HC is equal to interest rate. You know in engineering economy multiplied by UC, and the Q is equal to akar 2RC multiplied D per E multiplied by UC. What is the difference? Is about this one. Ini ya, yang berbeda. 2RC kali D dibagi HC. HC is equal to E multiplied by UC. Udah dicatat Q-nya. Oke, we will discuss the price change because there is discount. Yeah, on discount. Describe so how unit price changes when order quantity increase. In the vertical line, there is a unit cost. In the horizontal, it is a Q atau order quantity. Yeah. From 0 to Q, yeah, A unit cost is equal to UC1. Yeah. If you buy in this interval, the price is equal to UC1. QA until QP, the price 2 is UC2, and etc. Yeah. Or you can see about the table, unit cost UC1, our limit 0 until QA, UC4, QC until Q3. Yeah, understandable. Okay, this is about the project to calculate the Q. Start step 1 from the lowest unit cost. We begin from the lowest price level. Yeah, lower unit cost, reduce purchase cost. Take the next lower unit cost curve and calculate the minimum point. Ya, ambil unsur biayanya, kalikan dengan untuk mencari Q. Is this point valid? So we can check about the key interval rate-nya. Kamu tekan, kamu terlambat mulai. Asik, SKS soalnya. Gak ngerti saya. If valid, calculate the cost of the valid minimum. If no valid, calculate cost. Yeah, it is same step. Calculate cost and calculate cost. Yeah, but it is calculate cost for valid minimum, nilai I-nya yang digunakan. But if no valid, calculate cost at breakpoint. Breakpoint itu rentang angka di sininya. Ya, nanti kita contohnya biar tahu. And then compare the cost of all the point considered and select lowest bid. For example, an annual demand for an item of 2,000 unit. What is it? Notasinya apa? 2.000 unit.
Q.
Demand.
D kapital bu, D kapital.
D besar ya, unit with $10 delivery cost. What is it?
OC.
For T% holding cost of the price unit, so holding cost is equal to
0,4.
huh?
0,4
kali
of the price per unit, price per unit.
ada rumusnya hasil
2,3.
bukan interest rate 0,4 multiply by UC,
Jadi berapa?
bukan UC 1000 tuh ya. UC nya nanti apa? Oh, UC-nya nanti berlaku di rentannya masing-masing. Kan UC-nya untuk pembelian sekian, UC 1, UC 2 ya. The price of the item the price of the item depends on the number of order ya. Ada 3 rentang. Untuk jumlah yang kurang dari 500 harganya $1 ya. Di rentang 500 until 999 harganya $0,8 dan seterusnya. Nah, kita mau mana optimal order policy-nya? Ya, for the first apa tadi? Take the next lowest unit cost curve, berarti diambil harga yang mana?
0,6.
Yes, ya. Taking the lowest, lowest cost curve, you see is equal to 0.6 per unit. Ya, dikatakan valid. Ya, it's valid if the order Q is equal to ya, validnya jika ya is equal to more than 1,000 or more ya. So the first we calculate about the Q. Ya, ini saya cepatkan ya. EPK-nya berarti next week ya. Ya, Q is equal to akar dimasukkan ya 20.000 yang tadi dibagi 0,4 nya apa tadi?
Oh, apa tadi?
Bahasa Indonesia.
Ah,
Interest rate multiply by
OC.
Unit cost.
yes, unit cost. Unit cost for the first is 0.6 ya. So Q is equal to 408 itu. So it is valid or not?
No.
No, ya. If no valid, how?
Di breakpoint.
Menghitung biaya pada nilai breakpointnya. Breakpointnya tadi di angka berapa? 1.000 itu, ya. Begitu. Valid if the OP is 1.000 or more. Invalid if it is no more than 1.000. So calculate the total cost. Ya, it is the result 1.340. For the second, mana? Belum. Ya. So valid in Q is equal to 1,000 unit. Ya. Paham? Jadi kan tadi udah hitung P-nya ya berdasarkan UC ketemu 408. 408 kos kondisinya nggak valid karena apa? Harusnya kan dia di rentang 1000 lebih ya, sehingga ini 400. Lalu menghitung total cost berdasarkan cut off point atau break point ya pada lowest costnya namanya. Sehingga yang berbeda adalah LCD Q-nya ini adalah Q 408 tapi Q-nya adalah 1000 ya, sehingga total biaya untuk yang pertama adalah 1.340 per tahun ya. Next, for the next UC 0.8 per unit valid if the order is between ya 400 ya. Kita hitung ternyata Q-nya berapa? Valid enggak? Enggak ya, valid. So still total cost with cut off point. Yeah, is the result. The point B is 500. Yeah, the lowest quantity. And the last, taking the next lowest cost flow. About UC is equal to $100 per unit. $1 per unit. Valid if Q is less than 500. This is the result about the Q. Is valid or not?
Yes.
Yes, because it's
Less
than 500. So calculate total cost with
Oh ya. Wait.
Kalau valid maka total cost dihitung Q-nya dengan
AC.
bukan. Kalau tadi nggak valid, Q-nya dihitungnya berdasarkan
500.
yang valid.
Oh.
Nah, validnya kan di rentang 500. Jadi nih karena nggak valid maka nggak nyambung di sini. Sini aja yang pertama. Ini kan hitung Q 400 karena nggak valid maka total cost ini hitung Q-nya berapa?
1000.
1000. Ini valid nggak? Enggak, karena nggak valid maka total costnya pakai Q yang 353 atau pakai Q yang 500?
500.
Oke, kalau valid berarti total costnya pakai Q yang mana?
Ya.
Iya, betul. So, in the third calculation it is valid. So, total cost with this one. Yeah. Yeah. So this point C, this point B, and point A. Understandable? Okay. So what the decision? Belum do something. This we will discuss about the curve. Total cost in vertical, order quantity in horizontal. Yeah. This is UC1. Ini UC maka invalid. Hasilnya TC-nya adalah
1320.
yang 0,8 invalid juga, TC-nya 1720. Yang terakhir valid hijau, poin C di total cost 2000. Ini ya, sehingga mana yang digunakan? Yang digunakan adalah yang
Valid.
yang berada di yang bukan yang ada dilihat adalah minimum total cost. Where?
Cost from 1300.
Yes. Ya. So 1340. So ambilnya adalah rentang beli di rentang 1000 ke atas dapat harga 0,6, maka itu dapat harga yang paling murah. Ya, meskipun ya beda ya, meskipun dia dikatakan nggak valid, tapi dia yang dipilih karena hasilnya paling murah, karena kita ngitungnya sudah berdasarkan rentang 1000-nya tadi pengalinya di TC. Paham ya? Oke. It is about the AP with discount. Yeah, this is about the APQ, but I'm sorry tetapi ya. Apa kita lanjut sampai ada dosennya masuk?
Kasihan yang nunggu di luar.
Dulu kan, nggak gitu. Ya, oke. I'm sorry. Maybe in the next week we will discuss about the
Maybe the
APQ.
presentation can be delivered to Aldi.
Okay. There is, yeah.
You send the report.
Mm-mm.
I send it.
Kirim dan
Iya, itu ketua kelas.